How to make a blog on Wix. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with creating your own blog on Wix. Now, we all know Wix is an amazing platform for web building. It is intuitive, it is free to use, and it can help anyone in building any beautiful website that they want. So to get started with building your blog on Wix, you're going to click on Get Started to build your Wix account. You don't have to pay for anything. You don't have to pay to sign up or create your account. You're just going to be using your email. So you're going to click on Login over here. Once you do that, you're going to click on Google or Facebook or Apple if you want, or you can sign up with your email. I'm just going to be continuing with Google to log into my account, and we're going to be building our brand new blog. So in today's video, I want to be building a lifestyle blog, a lifestyle fashion makeup blog, just a all-in-one blog. I'm just going to wait. So right now we are going to click on create new site to start building our brand new website. Now Wix has two primary ways which can help you in building your site. Either you can proceed with AI chat or you can proceed normally with a template or a blank slate. So I am going to be using the AI setup because I do think it can be pretty useful. So we're just going to go on ahead and start without the chat. Maybe let's go with our basic setup. So we're just going to skip these questions. And this is going to just directly prepare our dashboard. And once it has prepared our dashboard, we can proceed with web editing or web building. So from here, I'm going to enter the title of my site. This is really important when you're building your website. So for our blog, it's going to be called Lily's Life. And I'm going to click on continue. Once I do that, the basic purpose is to build a community. And over here, it's going to ask you which apps you would like to add. And I would like to add the blog application. You can add the group application as well. I'm just going to continue with just the blogging one and then continue to your dashboard. Once you've done that, so we're going to move on towards our next step. Be connecting a custom domain. If you have a custom domain, you can do that, but we're just going to click on design site to get started with designing our site. Now I'm going to click on generate a design to help generate my template with the help of AI. And you don't have to leave your entire web design to AI. You just let the AI tool design some of the elements and you can customize the rest of them however you want. So first off, you have to generate a site brief for the first version of your website, and you're able to edit the site brief to generate different versions with the design. So let's just wait until this is loaded up. And this is the site brief. It's a site profile. It will have the site structure with one page. Site content will be generated based upon your site description. It will have modern fonts, a dynamic professional design in gray and grain. You'll have a layout with a clean design and sophisticated twist. So let's just wait. And the AI tool, you guys can see it has done a really nice job, but obviously I want to tweak this design. And once we click on tweak this design, we will see that the design is now being altered. And I might want to just alter my site brief by myself as well. So in Lily's Life, it's a local business. No, this is going to be a blog. And this is going to be a life blog. The site description, I'm going to click on this. What is your site about? Hi, I'm Lily. I'm 23 and navigating life. I write blogs about life, home, fashion, shopping, makeup, and all girly things. Then we're going to enter our contact information. So we can enter our email address. This is going to be lily@gmail.com. Then we can add our number, address, our Facebook, all our social links. Then I'm going to click on apply changes. Now, based upon the new information that I've entered, it's going to generate a new site for me. Once the basic site has been generated, so the basics are good and I like the site design, the variation, or all the basic layouts, then I can further customize them by myself in the Wix website editor. So let's wait to see version 2 of our site. And this looks really nice. I think this actually is perfect. I might want to customize this, but I'm just going to continue with this. And I do want to continue to the editor from here. Once I click on continue to editor, I'm going to begin by changing the color scheme because I don't like the green highlights in this. Instead, I want to opt for pink, and then I'm going to show you guys how you can add blogs and whatnot. So right now it is preparing our website template to be ready for editing. Right now, this is ready. So from here, you're going to click on the top where it says Lily's Life. Now I'm going to click on settings, and this is, some vector art that has been added. I'm going to click on change. This does not reflect my style. So I want to search for girl, not girl though. I just want to search for girl or woman. And I want to use this one over here. I'm just going to click on add to page. Once I do that, this vector art looks really nice. Now from here, I'm going to close this out. And I'm going to go into the left where it says site design and it says text theme. I'm going to change the heading fonts because I don't like the way that these fonts look. I want something that's a bit casual or sophisticated. Like I don't like the very basic font. So I think I want to go with different font like this, Lily's Life Adventures. And I'm going to click again on the site design, text theme, paragraph font, and I think we're going to go with this one. This looks nice, but it's a bit too bold. Let's go with this one. A bit too techy. This looks okay. And then I'm going to go back, then I'm going to go into my color theme, change the base color, change this color over here into a dark pink. So I'm going to click on apply, just a nice pink over here like this. I'm going to click on apply, then click on my accent color, and we're going to be again choosing a pink color. I'm going to change one of the base colors into actually a pastel kind of pink, or like a nice peachy pink like this. Once done, I can click on change color theme. This will change my color theme throughout. Now you guys can see our basic website is ready. If I want to add pages, I can click on the top left where it says pages and I can add those. But by default, when you're using the Wix application, this will build a blog page for you. Now, if I want to change the blog section, I can, but I find it to be all right. I can click on save and save this under the free domain by Wix. Once done, you can click on go to dashboard, and from your dashboard, you can get started with writing your blogs, and you can just click on publish to publish your Wix blog. So on the left, you can see blogs in your dashboard, and from here, you will see some default blogs that might have been added, and you can click on create a post to start creating posts. You can see you have categorization tools as well as just metrics that you can get for your blogs as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.